pinagalitan niya ako. I think she should talk about it herself. No? But we did. We went somewhere. And ang galing ng doctor, and she was fixed. So, it just comes with age. You know, when we get older, our voices change. Like ako, hindi ko na naaabot yung mga naabot ko nung bata ako. But we sing differently now. Yung dahil may puot na, may lalim, may something. And I keep telling her that, you know, obviously when you were younger, you were able to sing as high as you could. But now, you have a voice that has so much emotion. You could already tell, ang daming experience nitong tao ko. And the way she, you know, ang kanyang ace is that she's a fantastic storyteller. So when she sings, nararamdaman mo yung sinasabi niya. When she's whispering, when she's singing loud, and she's singing high. But now, it's still there, but it has more purpose. So, naku, abangan niyo yung concert niya. It's gonna be madaming finale. For sure, for sure.